What makes someone gamble with their freedom by turning a simple traffic stop into a dangerous chase?
Pull over! Pull over the car! Pull the car over now! I have a Hispanic driver wearing a black hat, black brown hair, colorful bracelets. Pull the car over! Can you give me a driver's license photo on the registered owner?
She's attached to you.
Put the vehicle in park!
Yes, Mary's attached to one of the photo.
We're currently doing 57 miles an hour, approaching 120, light traffic. I have a secondary unit with me.
26 from 8192. Do you guys have anything besides speed at this point?
41 miles an hour, passing Bolo, still northbound on 12. She just almost ran into me.
Alright, if we're looking at possible DUI, go ahead and switch to this turn. If you haven't done so already, start calling it out on this turn.
She's pulling into fish lane capping.
Wakanda 8113 on Countywide. We have a vehicle we are attempting to stop, speeding and potentially DUI. It is a red Honda with Illinois tag, Adam Mary 42513, Adam Mary 42513. We are currently in Lakewood. Fish Beach Lake. I'm trying to find her straight. She is. We are currently doing 10 miles an hour into a trailer park.
8126.
Did this vehicle have any addresses in Fish Lake Beach, Bola?
Yeah, we were northbound on 12 and 120.
26 come out of Palatine.
Close the gate.
Stop the f***ing car! Stop the f***ing car!
Oh, stop!
So from Detroit, DJ on 60589, DJ 4589.
She's cut down to Palatine, and just for further information, she hit a security guard today at the smoke shop as we were there.
For information, she just made a stop sign.
Okay, training and trial information.
Show me your hands! Show me your f***ing hands!
7112.
Open the window!
The fire department know that the subject is in
Open the window!
the basement if they want to walk around to the back.
I will break this window!
8126, we got the car stopped. Still at Fish Lake Beach.
Ambulance 323 information.
Open the door! Open the door, I will break this window and drag you out.
Location advising
Huh?
if you want to go to the rear.
I will break it. I have a window breaker, it will break. Open the window, or open the door, or I will break it and drag you out.
Okay.
Open the window. All the way. All the way. I'm not really caring what you want to or not. Open the window.
This is Mark's house.
I don't care.
This is my uncle's house.
Okay, open the window.
We need you to take a step out of the car now. We don't want to break the window.
Back away then. I don't have anything in the car.
We don't want to break the window. We'll leave it there.
Step out of the vehicle now or you will be tased.
You can do not tase me.
Step out of the
Take a
vehicle.
step out of the car. Turn around. Turn around. Put your hands behind you.
What kind of unit? We're going to have one in custody. We'll be switching back to our zone.
Did you put on this one?
Yeah.
Straighten your hand up for me. I don't want to
You
hit you.
got just one car just in case. I do have a kind of unit with me.
Move these out of the way.
Can you please shut my door and get out of my car? Don't touch it.
I'm glad you think that you are running the show here. It was real fun, right?
That was the funniest thing I've done.
Yeah, it was great.
Actually, every day I do something funnier.
Good. Let's see what felonies we get you with today.
I had a class 1 when I was 17.
Hey, and let's continue living this life, right?
Yeah, no, you guys have already taken my life. What are you going to do with me?
And we're having a car towing. And
Yes, sir.
Be here for trespassing.
First class is towing me. First class is towing me. You better make sure that first class is
No, ma'am. See, this is...
No, they have a response.
126 from 8192.
8126, go ahead.
Spread your legs.
Why didn't you stop?
Because
Isn't a good answer. If you give me a reasonable answer, it makes sense.
I was going to my dad's house.
Okay, where's your dad live?
Vacation Village.
Okay. So you just didn't want to stop for
I
lights,
just-
sirens, 2 squad cars?
No, like, I just drive to my dad's house and do what I want.
8342,
Okay.
you're now
I've never
for
been out of the
534.
country.
Well,
You've been out of the country?
We're still in Illinois, which is in
But
the
have you ever
state.
traveled outside of the country?
Apparently there
Maybe.
is a nurse location
Well, I
there.
haven't.
Okay.
So, can you please uncuff me?
That's not how that works. You didn't stop. He's been following you since 176.
Don't care. What is your name?
Officer Pet.
Officer Pat.
Yep.
I know a lot of Pats.
Okay. So, what have you been doing today?
What did I do today?
Just so you know, real quick, because you are going to be charged and you are in handcuffs, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one can be
I
appointed
can
to you.
afford one, and
before any
if
questions,
I am
if
suing
you
you
wish.
for saying what you are
Okay.
saying to me.
Okay, that's fine. So you understand those
Can you
rights?
please take one step back?
Do you understand those
Can you
rights?
please take one
Do you
step
understand
back?
those rights?
Can you please take
Okay.
one step back? I just
No.
asked you 3 times.
No.
8192.
Go
I
ahead.
don't know where you think this is going, okay? You do not dictate the situation, okay? You do not walk away from me. You are under arrest.
For what?
Come on. You think this is a f***ing game?
I want my shoe.
I don't... Hey, I'm going to secure you as a prisoner that you are, okay? Hey, can you unlock my truck, please?
Like, seriously.
Once you start being respectful and you want to pay attention and realize the situation, I'll start listening to you.
Ah!
Think this is a f***ing game?
You're taking off my... Don't
Let's
steal
go.
my shit.
Up. So she's already trespassed from this property?
No, I'm just saying she will not be able to
Okay.
come back on this property.
She just never stopped.
Well, yeah, I got felony charges. I'm gonna call Mike's for one.
Yep.
It's felony fleeing.
Lights, sirens, all. She almost did hit you at that one point.
Yeah.
It was Fish Lake Road.
Just for information, we have one in custody, female. If we get Mike's for one, she'll be in custody for aggravated fleeing and aggravated appeal.
Okay.
Thanks for coming out. I don't know where we're at, but you know,
She hit you when she got in there?
no, it's still ag bat with the car though.
Trying
It's
to
ag assault, yeah, whichever.
Okay,
It
buddy.
can be corrected.
It should be definitely caught on my camera because you
Yeah.
see her go like that.
All right, before I search your vehicle, okay, do you have anything in there that's going to stick me, harm me, poke me, or any of my partners in any way?
No.
Excuse me?
No.
Okay.
You should have somebody watch her because there's Narcan all over the car. Thank you. We have Kohler on the way. You probably could hit her with DUI unless that's how she talks normally. I didn't see her eyes though.
I saw her eyes. They were dilated and red, but I'll talk to her a little more in the station.
No, don't get out.
I'm not going to get out of the vehicle. I'm just sitting. I'm thirsty.
I mean, she was literally laughing.
What did she flick you off at that one point? Why was her hand out the window?
I think she was just waving.
Oh, that's when I caught up to you guys.
I think she was just waving. But I pulled up next to her and started recording with my body cam.
Wisconsin 28.
Got a pipe?
Adam William Boyd 19. Adam William Boyd 19.
It's more like chewables.
This is cannabis.
Oh, different pills too. Some of this might just be Tylenol too. Mary, do you have active insurance on the vehicle?
Yes, USAA.
Where is it through? USAA. Is there a card in the?
Yes, sir. It's in my phone.
It's in your phone. All right, I'll give you the opportunity at the station to present that. Okay.
I don't want to go to the station. We're trying to go to my dad's.
Okay. Well, we got this to figure out now. Yeah, she said it was USAA. You could keep it. She said she has an active copy on her phone, so I'll give her the opportunity. All right, so I'm just going to ask you, okay, before, I'm not going to search you right now. There's Narcan all over your vehicle.
I carry Narcan. It's part of my business.
Okay. You didn't swallow anything?
What?
You didn't swallow anything?
No.
Okay, I just want to make sure for your safety. Make sure I don't need to get you an ambulance or something. If a baggie broke or something, I don't want you overdosing on me.
I do not overdose.
All right. You didn't swallow anything?
No, I've been drugged before, but I do not take pills or anything from people that I do not know.
She looks inebriated, but
Yeah.
we kind of cuffed her before we did anything. Just based on what we had.
Well, the driving and everything else you saw, she was all over the road. She was like that for a while.
Yeah, well, I didn't see all the way up until I caught up to you right before Bonner.
Yeah,
so that's why I saw the going into your lane.
8137.
Can you stand up for me? Turn around and face the wall.
5'4.5".
Can you face the wall? I'm going to take these off of you, okay? Please keep in mind everything is audio and visually recorded in here, okay? So let's not make this any worse than we already have today, okay? All right, so have you been drinking today?
No.
No? You can turn around and face me. You haven't had anything to drink?
No.
How about pills or anything? Are you on?
I take prescription medication. I've taken my medication as prescribed.
Okay. All right, all I'm going to have to do is I'm going to ask you to take a step off the wall for me.
Keep my feet together.
Yep. I'm going to just ask you to do a couple of things to see where things are at here because I'm really just kind of concerned about you after everything we just went through, okay? And I'm going to have you follow my finger.
Yeah, I do have corrective eye surgery on this eye.
Okay, on that eye?
Yes.
All right, have you had any head injuries or?
I have beaten, but I was vice gripped out of my mother when I was born.
Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do is just keep your head still. You're not going to move your neck, right?
Okay.
You're just going to follow my finger right here with your eyes.
Okay.
Okay? All right. What I have to do is, all right, do you have any problem with your legs?
I have a bum knee,
Bum knee?
but it's not metal yet.
No? Any issues with standing on one leg or the other?
No.
No?
1, 2.
Okay, please get back in the starting position.
Starting position.
Yep, which would be the left foot in front of your right foot.
Like starting position.
No, your left foot in front of your right foot.
My left foot in front of my right
Yep.
foot.
That's probably the best you've done here. All right. Now let me ask you this. All right, you said you didn't take any pills today.
I took my medication
You
as
took your
prescribed.
as prescribed.
Yes.
Would you give a blood sample?
Yes.
Okay. All right. With that, I'm going to come back and read you some documentation. All right. I don't believe.
Can I refuse to take the blood because I am not drinking anything?
Yes, you can refuse.
Like I could take a breathalyzer.
Listen,
I honestly do not want to give you my blood.
And here's the thing. So I'll give you the opportunity to take a breath, right? But I'm going to call for blood as well. All right.
I'm gonna have
And
to
it's
call my doctor.
and that's something that I need consent from you for, or I could get a warrant. All right. But if you're telling me that you took everything as prescribed,
I did.
then there's nothing to worry about because you'll have a prescription to match the levels of what's in your system.
Right.
So it's you know where I'm little.
You can do a breathalyzer first and then take my blood.
Okay, I appreciate your cooperation. That will go a long way with me. Okay. Go ahead and take a seat. Would you like a glass of water?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
All right, go ahead and turn it around for me because I got to put this back on your wrist. Okay. You give me your wrist, please. You want it like this? Is that okay? All right, I'll be right back. If I can get out of here.
The woman was arrested and charged with aggravated fleeing and eluding, aggravated battery of a peace officer, resisting arrest,